All the girls and the boys and people making noise, just let me hear you shout.
Bring 'em out, bring 'em out.
Bump up your fist if you twist like this till the lights go out.
Bring 'em out, bring 'em out.
All the girls and the boys and people making noise, just let me hear
The spiritual growth campaign. You have to be there. If you are not there, you are square. You want to be a puny Christian. Oh yeah, you hide under the table. You don't do anything.
Little girly people.
You go. You are sick, girly Christian.
Don't you know I treat you right?
You know how I help spot you when you bench your 1,000 pounds?
1020.
Oh, I do. You know I spot, I help you.
Oh, yeah.
We join together, you and me, Hans.
Yeah,
And I
you
join
help.
and I help you.
You helped me.
You know why?
No.
Because if you do it by yourself, you'll be crushed. Yeah.
Crush. Oh, I can push 1,000 pounds.
Yeah, but not 1,020.
No.
You girly man, not 1,020.
I tell you what. You know, the same is true with the people.
No.
Yeah.
Tell me.
They need to go out to the porch and sign up.
No.
On the porch is where we have the sign up. The deal is you need other people. We want everybody to be in a group because we want to take the next step.
All this time to get it off of my chest.
Hey, you know, you see Jeff Love.
Yeah.
He
Puny.
was got that white all over his head. What is that for?
For Halo.
Halo.
Yeah, it's a halo that fell down.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, I didn't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He looked
Yeah.
like a gopher coming out of a hole.
Ooh, yeah.
Everybody move to the beat, come on. Everybody move to the beat, come on. Everybody rock to the break of dawn.